Hi Daisy, welcome back to Makeup Revolution's YouTube channel. I hope you've had a really good start to your week so far. Now I'm going to make it that little bit better and show you one of the most exciting products we've ever launched. This is the fastest selling product we've ever had. That's crazy. This product that I'm talking about, of course, is the Fortune Favours the Brave 30 eyeshadows by a British beauty blogger. Now Jane, I know you don't like affection, I forget every time I see you and I go in for a hug and a kiss, but I genuinely want to kiss you for this because this is blooming amazing. So if you want to see inside this gorgeous palette, and I'm going to be swatching the shades for you and trying them on as well, just keep watching. Okay, Fortune Favours the Brave 30 eyeshadows. This is the box. Beautiful gold packaging with a cool like emblem here, and then you've got the shades on the back there for you to see. And then the exciting bit, this is the actual palette. How gorgeous is this? So it's a gorgeous gold palette and you've got a metallic gold emblem on the front there, which is so pretty. And then inside, how gorgeous is this? I think it's really new for Makeup Revolution. We haven't had a palette that really is in this kind of format and layout before, and it just looks so premium and amazing, and I definitely just dropped the brush. So talking of the brush, such a good brush to have in a palette. It's not your standard eyeshadow brush, no. You've got a dense side of the brush here and then a fluffy brush here, which is amazing for blending. So when I show you the products and shadows on, I'm only going to use this brush to show you how good it is. Back to the shadows. These are the shades that you get in the palette, 30 eyeshadows in there, and what a gorgeous range of colours, from some really nice mattes to some shimmers to some merged shadows as well. There is something for everyone in this palette. When I met with Jane and the Makeup Revolution team at Christmas, she was saying, like, Adam, the navy just isn't right. I need to get the navy right. And I think they've done that like 3 times until this navy right here was right. It was the right shade of navy that Jane wanted. So Jane has put in so much effort and time and love and passion into this palette. This is kind of just Jane all in here. So I'm really excited to give these shadows a go. I haven't tried them yet, so I think it's going to be a really amazing palette to have in my collection. So let's get on with the swatchings of these shadows. how gorgeous are those swatches. This is such a beautiful palette. I absolutely love it already and I haven't even tried it on my eyes. So now I'm going to pop a couple of colours on. I'm not even sure which colour to go for because they're all so pretty. But I'm not going to go for a full-blown tutorial. I am just going to pop these shadows on my eyes so you can just see what the formula and the texture and the colours look like. So, do you know what? As Jane put in so much effort to the navy shade, I'm going to do a really simple navy smoky eye. Okay, yes, I have mascara on first because I've done my makeup before this. So I am going to apply my eyeshadow while I've got my mascara on. This is just a really quick tutorial to show you what these shadows look like on. I'm first off taking the fluffy side of the brush and I'm taking the shade called Butter. And I'm going to apply this just over my lid here. The bristles in this brush are so gorgeous. Such a soft brush that is actually really easy to work with. And then I'm going to take the shade Caffeine Fix, which is this dark brown, and I'm popping this on the outer corner of my eye, slightly into my crease there, just to darken that up a bit. And I'm just using this brush to blend out that shade. I'm now going to take the dense side of the brush and I'm going to apply this gorgeous navy, which is called Midnight Rainbow. I'm going to pop this on the outer corner of my eye. So now I've got that all over my lid, I'm going to take the fluffy side of the brush and just blend that shadow out into my crease. And just add in a bit more of that brown shade to blend those shadows together. Now taking that brown shade on the dense side of my brush and just popping that underneath my eyes here on my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to blend that out using the fluffy side of the brush. So that is the Fortune Favours the Brave palette. How gorgeous is that palette? The shades look incredible and I absolutely love the packaging of the product as well. So now, your chance to win one. We have 10 to give away and we haven't done a giveaway on YouTube in quite a while, so we felt like this will be a good one to give away because we're sure a lot of you are trying to get your hands on this product. So if you want to win this palette, all you need to do is firstly subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that, then make sure you click that button right now. Then you just need to take a picture or a screenshot or a selfie showing this video. You also need to show in that picture that you're subscribed to this channel. So get screenshotting now or rewind and take a screenshot. Post it on Twitter or Instagram using the hashtag RevolutionYouTube and make sure you tag us in it as well. So good luck, we have 10 to give away, so make sure you get posted now. Also for the people that are asking me to do a video on the rose gold lipsticks, that will be coming soon. So make sure you keep your eye out for that and I will see you next Monday. Bye!